Hey, everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how to check incognito history on iPhone. So, let's get started. Unfortunately, some browsers on computers, iPhones with Safari don't store your incognito history. Incognito mode prioritizes privacy, so once you close that tab, it's gone for good. To check history on iPhone using the Safari browser, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Safari option, and then tap on it. On the next page, scroll down to the end and then click on the Advanced option. On the Advanced page, tap on the Website Data option. Here, you'll see a list of websites, including those visited in private mode. To view all the website lists, tap on the Show All Sites option located at the bottom of the list. If you want to remove all website data, tap on the Remove All Website Data option located at the bottom of the screen. Now you know how to check incognito history on your iPhone easily. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.